loves. Tayo mag-open ng anniversary gift. Bigay ni Papa sa akin. Ayan. From my course. So, buksan natin. Ayan guys. From my course. Kondo. Yeah. Ang kapal ng box nito ah. Tignan nyo yung book. Ang kapal niya. Wow. Kapal ng book. Ganda ng regalo ko oh. From Michael Kors. Tagalan muna natin ang plastic. Ba't tayo matanggal yung plastic? Ganda. Yeah. Ang ganda ng relo ko. Sana all. Wala na bang plastic? Yan. Unang gift. Anniversary. 23rd. Ayan. 23rd. Ayan ha. Ang ganda. I loved it. I have one. Michael Kors also. But different style. But I like this one. So, yay! Okay guys, thanks for watching. Look at this. Love it. So, ayan ang aking anniversary gift from my hubby. Alright? Thanks for watching guys. Love.